Do you want to know how you can join the Fliki community? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join Fliki.ai's community. Go ahead and open Fliki.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account, and what you need to do is click on the question mark option which you see on the top right hand side. After you click it, you can see community. Tap on community and it will open this page where you can see that you have logged into your Facebook account. Make sure that your Facebook account is logged into your browser and then this page will load up. Go ahead and click join group and you can see that your request has been pending. So you can write down these answers. What is your registered email address on Fliki? So go ahead and write down these informations because it will allow you to join the group. After you write down the first question, you can see that you can choose what is your current active plan on your account. After that, click submit and then you can see that your membership is now pending. In a while, the admin of Fliki.ai will accept your invitation and then you can now join Fliki's official community. I hope this video about how you can join Fliki's official community was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.